Hello everyone, in this video we'll be looking at the Rezonate web application. So here I am inside the dashboard, which gives you a quick overview of the statistics, which shows you number of subscribers in the past 7 days, total number, also for the past 24 hours as well. If we scroll down, we can see different engagement and different social posts that we may have sent out. So what you want to do, you want to first select your social account. In this case we have Facebook. Once we click on the account, we'll see the statistics based on different months of the year as well. We also have, as the next module would be the scheduled calendar, which allows you to see what you have processed, pending, and have completed posts based on the calendar. We can sort by day, a month, week, a day, and list as well. We have different accounts where we can import our account into the system. We have the option to add our different social accounts such as Facebook. We have Twitter, Reddit, Blogger, WordPress.com. We also have Dribble, YouTube, Tumblr, LinkedIn, and Facebook, just to name a few. We have the list here, which shows what's already been connected, I should say. So we have this account there. We now have the page actions, which allows you to do various page automation. We also have page info, where we can see different fan pages, see the engagement. We can enable or disable the bot connection, and if you move the mouse over, you give a little bit of information as to what that feature is. Then this is where we really get into the powerfulness of Rezonate, is that you have the marketing that we can do, the comment marketing, which gives you a view of different automation that you can do. We can create an automated template here. You can view this template, which I did, which say when you comment, it gives the automation as well. Next we have auto comment, where we can set up different comments based on the different automation as well. We can create a template there. We have the reply template as well, and we can see the status based on how the engagement is once we have an active page. Next we have the messenger settings, which gives you a general overview of different features that we have. We can do different integrations as well. We can set up the enabling of these based on the post type of engagement that we want to do. We have icebreakers as well, and if you want to know what it is, you simply just enable the feature, and we can add different filtering based on questions, and we can keep doing question and answers just to create a type of engagement on our social media account. We have messenger reply, subscribers, where we can scan the page and import the different folders that we may have. We can enable background scan as well, and page links. Let me just redirect to the page so we can see what it's about. We also have the statistics, which gives us an overview of what is happening. We have white label domains, where we can do the Facebook chat plugin. We have the sequence messaging as well, which gives you a number of sequence that we can do. We have the autoresponder as well, and also we have the page analytics, which gives us an overview based on our clicks and different engagements based on messenger statistics as well. So next we have the social publisher, where you can send out various types of social campaigns. We have text that we can do. We can schedule a text campaign, for example. I already created a campaign, so we would click on create the campaign, and then you would go here where we can choose the name, the message, and where we want it to go. So I have this page which is called Infinite Fun. If I click on it, and there we go. This is the text that was sent out and automated this Facebook as well. So it's pretty powerful. As you can see, we have this page here, which was recently created, and within just a few days or there are 46 people have liked this page already, which is pretty fast without actually doing any type of work. So imagine what it would be after a few weeks, months maybe. We have different campaigns as well, which I've set up as well to go out. As you can see, this is the one that I showed on the page. If we should go back to campaigns as well, we can choose a video campaign. If we wanted to set up a video type campaign, we choose name. We can either upload or paste the URL. We can select the page that we wanted to go to on Twitter. We can do Facebook, whatever integrations we have, Tumblr, YouTube. So we can post to all these channels within just a click of a button. We can do call to action as well, based on the type of social media that we want to go, where we can do a buy link, whether it be an affiliate link or an opt-in page. So as you can see, so it's pretty much a powerful system. Rezonate definitely can be used in your marketing as a 9-channel or multi-channel marketing app across different social media platforms, where you can definitely use it within your daily marketing to have massive success.